Lovely Folks. So today we are reviewing different types of LED lights to use while you crochet if you're in a dark room or it's dark outside and you're not able to get to a bright light, or you're crocheting in bed and you don't want your significant other to wake up. I don't know if that's from experience or not, but we'll find out. So let's open these up. We're gonna see how they work, and then I'm also going to record again tonight with them and test them out when it is actually dark outside. So let's see how they work. Hey friends, real quick, if you want to learn how to get these amazing ergonomic hooks in this super cute yarn bag, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, so we have our two sets of lights. This one is like a clip-on light, and I think this one is one that like goes around your neck. So we're gonna open these up. I am gonna record later tonight, and that way we can see how bright they actually are in nighttime. And I probably have to charge them. Alright, so this is the Vaunt clip-on light. And then it's got the user manual with it. It's really cute. It's small. Oh, it's already lit up. Oh, it's touch. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at how bendy that is. And it just clips on. Oh, that's fun. Oh, I like that. I wonder, I don't know if I have anything that I can like. Alright, so I have it clipped onto my table. I can't really show you that right now, but yeah. So we will, tonight when it's dark outside, I will, I'm going to charge this, and then I'll move the camera so we can clip it onto something and see how well it stays. But like, could you imagine using this like on your end table when you're sitting on the couch at nighttime? That would be perfect. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Oh, that's neat. Alright, and then we have this one. Oh, this one's blue. And I don't know how to pronounce this one. Vecchia, maybe? This is a hue light. Oh, this is really big. Woo! Oh, these also have 3 different. So this one lights up just one light bulb. I don't know how to show you that. And then it lights up one light bulb on the other side, and then it lights up both light bulbs. But this is also really bendy. It's got like a soft spot here for the back of your neck. And this is also rechargeable too. I like that the black matches the black and the white matches the white. And I mean, they have different plugs. Like this has like a little micro USB, and this has like a DC adapter or an AC adapter type plug. But that's cool. Yeah, I'm excited. This is really soft too. Like I feel like you can make this do whatever you want. And even if you didn't want to wear it on your neck, you could probably just like set it down and angle it towards you and use it that way while you're crocheting. So that's pretty cool. So I will charge these up, and then tonight we will test these out and see how bright they actually are. I'm really excited, guys. Alright, so I've got all the lights shut off. I mean, there's some lights behind me, but you can't really see anything. So we're gonna try the neck one first. Oh, that's bright. That's just one light on each side. So I've got some Red Heart Super Saver. I just got it. It's in charcoal. Let's see. So I'm going to put this up around my neck where it would normally go. And that is absolutely perfect. I can see my stitches. And I picked the dark yarn specifically just to test this out. But these lights are so bright. All right, let's shut these off and we'll test the clip-on. I'm gonna clip it on my desk right here.
and we will test that one out too. All right, so that's the 3 different levels. So off, 1 touch, 2, and 3. So this one, I would have to work depending on how I held it. I wonder if I pointed it up. It just seems a little bit trickier. But I mean, obviously I wouldn't be recording in the dark. So we have to take that out of consideration. But I mean, it's still, when I have it like pointed down, I can see everything perfect. So I think, depending on how you crochet and how often you crochet at nighttime, this one would be great if you were like camping, or like driving, like sitting in the back of a car and you needed some light to work on something. This one would be better, I think, for like if you were sitting upstairs at your couch and you've got like a little end table, or you're sitting on your bed and you want to crochet, something like that. So I mean, both have really good potentials for different situations. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think if you have either one of these lights. I'm still just baffled at how bright this one is. And this one seems to be more of like a bright white. It's almost blue with the LEDs. And this is more of like a cool tone. It's still very bright, but it seems to be a little bit not as harsh as the LEDs on this one. But let me know if you've tried either one of these, which ones you prefer. And if you want to see me review any other products, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!